Got this mark on my exhaust that I can't polish it off. So I've got a bit of spray, but when I put the spray on, it's a black, it's a different colour. So what I've found, I've had to do it already on the bottom section, is if you give it a very, very light coat of this stuff, very light, okay, now let's see what you have to do. What I found is you let it partly dry, got a big blob there, that's no good, and then you rub your finger over it. And for some reason, I haven't done the bottom there, as you can see, the mark disappears. I'll have a go at the bottom section. The bottom section here. So, I don't know. It seems to really, really work. Wait for it to dry again. And then rub the marks. And hey presto, now I've done it before further down the exhaust and you can't see where it was, so once I start that up and run it, that shiny will just disappear. See how you go.